still checking your health with your weight, but is your weight really a good indicator of your health? Now there's an easy way to control belly fat. With Bello. Place Bello on your stomach. And with one click, Bello will measure your current fat and body condition and send the data to the Bello app in just 3 seconds. The app records the data to help you track the changes of your belly fat and your health, then gives you health statistics, which includes a health index, custom diet, and custom activity guide. Bello accurately measures belly fat with near-infrared spectroscopic technology. Bello is small, sleek, and simple, making it easy to fit in the palm of your hand, and the ability to manage your health condition conveniently, anytime, anywhere. Maintain a healthy body by tracking your history with Bello, so you can reduce the risk of metabolic diseases and live a full life now and in the future.
A friend of mine introduced me to Bello, and it started simple. I got the daily checkup of my abdomen health, and I started following all of the exercise and food instructions that were listed in the app. I was eating plenty of vegetables, fruits, lean protein, and whole grains, and it helped to reduce my high blood pressure.
The thing I love best about Bello is that it guides you and teaches you to make better choices. Being able to take it anywhere makes it super easy to reach your ideal weight and other fitness goals. Thank you so much, Bello.
For those who want to enjoy a healthy life, there is Bello. Get your hands on Bello today.
Chai was a nightmare. There were boilovers, There were mishaps. There were cafe lines, and there was
Maya?
Cheryl.
Maya Thompson? Oh my God.
And there was handing over 5 and some change for a syrupy, fake chai tea latte. But now, our authentic perfect chai starts with placing a cap in the chime, selecting the large option, pouring in my favorite milk, and watching the tea extracts dance into the frothy goodness below. A process that I actually look forward to.